Connect the phone to the i6S programmer via the data cable. Cell phone, enter password and trust. Select and enter RCVR. Press the button on the left to access the Unbind page. Press the button on the right to automatically unbind the handset accessory data. After the cloud backup is successful, the new 8V-C cable can be used to write data. After the writing is complete, the cable can be installed into the mobile phone test function. Connect the phone in need of repair directly to the computer via the data cable. Enter your password and trust. Connect the i6S programmer to your computer as well. Open the 8V tools on the PC. The information in the right notification bar is not recognized. You need to connect the phone again. After recognizing the information, we click the Unbind button. Connect the 8V-C repair bar cable to the i6S programmer. Mouse click cloud burning. After the writing is complete, you can install the test function.